guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dana Williams and today I'm going to make an easy blueberry muffin recipe. The ingredients I'm using are flour, salt, baking powder, blueberries, almond milk, vanilla extract, 1 egg, vegetable oil, and sugar. Start by preheating your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing a muffin pan. I grease my pan with butter because I like the way it makes the muffin crispier on the outside, but you can use any oil of your choice. I have 2 mixing bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. I'm going to start by combining the dry ingredients. I have 1½ cups of flour. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm going to move on to mixing my wet ingredients. The wet ingredients are 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 egg. Also 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm whisking it all together before I add the vanilla extract. Whisk in the vanilla extract as well. Also, before you mix the dry and wet ingredients, make sure that you whisk the dry ingredients together with a fork so that they're evenly distributed. Okay, now my dry and wet bowl are ready to be combined. I'm just whisking them together with a fork. You want to make sure not to overmix the batter. And now I'm going to mix the blueberries in. I like to use frozen blueberries so that they don't get smashed while you're folding them into the batter. Now I'm going to put the batter into the muffin pan using a spoon. The recipe yielded about 9 muffins, so it didn't fill the entire tray. I'm just going to put a pinch of sugar on top of each muffin. Now the muffins are ready to bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. The muffins have been baking for about 15 minutes and I'm going to stick the knife in to see if they're baked all the way through. It looks like they're baked all the way through, so I'm going to take them out of the oven. So delicious. I'm going to let the muffins cool for about 5 to 7 minutes and then they'll be ready to eat. You can take them out of the muffin tray with a knife. And now they're ready to eat. It's really good. Thanks for watching. Let me know how your blueberry muffins come, and also let me know if there's anything you'd like to learn how to cook with me in the comment section. And check out what song's playing throughout this video in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.